these are your watches,
Yeah,
Cerullo.
I'm Cerullo.
Cerullo. And you have the patents for these.
Yes,
And you
3 patents.
and the one that you were just showing me was a beautiful watch, and you said it's like 40 years old. It's an
Yeah,
incredible looking watch.
well, these are all that old. These were all made in the 80s, and after I moved, I started opening boxes, and I found some.
How much do you sell this for?
You know what? This is $1,000 Swiss watch. You don't get a Swiss watch for less than $1,000
Okay.
bucks. $350.
Okay.
That's what I sold them
Maybe
to
down the
jewelers
road.
for.
Yeah, you should get money for these. You should. Yeah, maybe down
Men
the road.
love this watch.
They're beautiful.
Every Father's Day, I get a call or two from somebody around the country who got my watch and had a friend who wants to get one, and they tracked me down here in Denver, and they have to get one of these.
That's incredible. Gosh, I'm sorry that your health
this is
isn't
since the
enabling you to
80s.
do this.
This last Father's Day, it was a pilot from Wichita calls me. And he tells me he loves it because you can actually set 3 time zones on this watch. If you want to see, there's another function to sync the hands with the digital display. The hands will move, but the display won't. So you can actually set a 3rd time zone. And so, as a pilot, he needs 3 time zones on his watch.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, it was very nice
Here,
to meet you. Yeah, I'll take that.
Watch this. I stabbed myself in the wrist once with a knife doing. You can't scratch this bastard.
Wow.
I mean, look. You see?
Yeah, still as beautiful.
I wouldn't
yeah.
do it if it was.
If you knew, yeah.
Yeah. It was gonna hurt. But look at these. Look at this one with a gold bezel edge and a Rolex Oyster bracelet. Is that a nice watch?
They're
or
really
what?
nice. Really nice.
You can match this up with anybody's watch. Here's a black. There's only like 2 black ones left in the world.
Yeah, I like the black.
Everybody likes black. We made twice as many blacks as all other dials put together. But I don't like black.
But that's what
I
you're
wear
wearing.
one, but
Yeah.
see, this one has the black bezel instead of the root beer that goes with all the other dials.
Very cool.
And I'm telling you, this is the last one.
Well, this is at least going out to 429 people who subscribe to me on YouTube. It's not that many,
I
but
wasn't expecting that.
yeah.
Yeah, and I'm in no hurry, if you know what I'm saying. There's a few left, and friends have them, and people track me down, and I have some more I'm going to try to rehabilitate over here. But like I said, they're 30 years old.
Right.
But it's a Swiss movement, ETA, best movement out of Switzerland. I worked for every company that made these watches. The first one cost $250,000 to make because you have to make all the tools to make the case, the dial.
Really?
And
So it cost you $250,000 out the gate.
yeah, and I worked off half of that because I worked for the dial company, redoing their literature. I did brochures for these people.
Okay.
Is what I did. And after the first brochure I did, that company hired me to work at the biggest watch show, biggest jewelry show in the world in Basel, Switzerland. 6 companies came to that booth looking for me to come do their brochure. I'd never done a brochure before in my life, but when this company said they wanted me to do that, I spent 2 weeks. I went around to every jewelry store I could find. I collected every brochure I could find, and I studied them. I decided what I liked and what I didn't like about brochures, and I made this company the best brochure they'd ever had.
Nice.
I mean, to the point that other watch companies came looking for me to do brochures for them. I made a fortune working over there.
I bet.